This is the easiest and fastest way you will ever back a hoop. I am actually changing this hoop out for a stained hoop, so I'm going to take the embroidery completely out of the hoop. And then I just take a piece of cotton fabric. I added my little tag to it, but you can use any piece of cotton fabric that you have lying around. It just has to be a little bit bigger than your hoop. And place it over the back of the hoop, and then place your embroidery right on top of it. Try to get it center with the hoop. Then you're going to put the front of the hoop right back over it, so you're just putting the hoop back together. And then you can just adjust, so if while you were stitching your embroidery wasn't exactly where you wanted it, you can just move it around and put it exactly where you want it now, and then just tighten up the hoop. As you're tightening, you want to keep pulling the front fabric and the backing fabric so that everything is smooth and there's no bumps in your embroidery or in the back. You want to get it as tight as you possibly can, so I just use this little gripper so I don't shred my fingers apart. So after making sure the back is smooth and everything is tight, just take a pair of scissors and cut off all that excess fabric. You just want to be careful that you don't dig your scissors into the wooden hoop because it will chip a little bit. And if you have any extra little frays, you can just clip those right off. And that's seriously it. It takes about 2 minutes, and you can leave it as is, or you can add a cute little bow to it. So this is definitely a lot faster than the other method of cutting a piece of felt and stitching it onto the back of the hoop, and just a lot easier to make it look really smooth and professional in the back. And that is it. Now it's all ready to give as a gift.